So I'm digging out another compost heap hole, and I'm actually making this even bigger. You can see the scale right here. That was the last one. That last one could probably even fit in here. Why am I making it so big? Well, you can just see all this green stuff. It's got to go in it. All of this here, and then I've got all of this over here. And basically, I'm going to be using these tree trunks for making some beds, and these could be posts. These were actually trees that were growing in the front, one tree actually. And I'm going to cut all this, take all these leaves. These leaves are all going to go into that hole, and there's more around the corner here. As you can see here, what I've been doing is actually adding more sand on top of the dead leaves right here. And again, the sand is going to help break down. This is what it looked like before. And adding more sand on top, building up this bed here. Right? So I'm going to be putting down clover, and you can see where I've been dumping the sand all the way along here. And this is all now ripe for clover. I'm going to put down clover seed and have clover growing. And that's the first thing you do in permaculture, is you got to put down a lagoon, get nitrogen in the soil. So in order for me to plant clover, I need to have some sort of soil. The soil under this actually is really good, and this sand is going to help provide what's needed for the clover. And I'll give you an idea. This is a bed that I created. Sand on top of leaves, and as you can see here, lots of stuff now growing. Some herbs in here. This is actually a biwa tree right here. One biwa tree. Some more stuff growing. Doing really well. Shooting up here. Another biwa tree right here. Another little biwa tree right there. Another one there. So these biwa trees are going to grow up, and I'm probably going to remove the center, this dogwood. I don't know why I need a dogwood out of there. So this has been my Saturday here. You know, we spend too much money buying wood chips and everything else, for ground cover and everything else, and the whole idea with permaculture is to let nature do its own thing. And I want to grow lots of edibles here and probably make this a raised bed. I'm talking about 2-3 feet up off the ground eventually. That's probably what's going to happen. I'm going to keep adding sand and put the same sort of like the fencing that I have back there, weave it along in the post and create this bed, and start building it up. So that's the idea anyway. If you like this video, consider going to Foundups.com and joining Foundups. You know, all my videos are ad-free, and this is Foundups House Florida. You'll be able to come here, get certified in permaculture or Foundups certification, which includes permaculture, aquaponics, hydroponics. Learn how to use a 3D printer, learn how to make one, and same goes with a CNC router, and help to transform this wood into a food forest for the entire community. And take everything you learn here and take it back and set up your own Foundup house, run your own Foundup house like I am, get certified to do that, tie into our global network of Foundup houses, and ultimately transform your house from being one that is unsustainable to completely sustainable. You know, together we can save the planet with Foundups. So I hope you join me in joining Foundups.com. Go to Foundups.com, click join. It's that simple. My name is Michael Trout, sharing the vision of Foundups with you in hopes that you'll join me in helping to save the planet. Thanks.